Hey guys, I just wanted to make this really quick video about Fortnite on your Switch. And that's because I got a lot of questions about it. Well, if you delete Fortnite from your Nintendo Switch, which is updating right now, it doesn't matter. You can re-download it and you're gonna have all your skins and everything. You're not gonna lose anything. What I would do is go on your phone, tablet, or anything like that, go into your Epic account and make sure that your Nintendo is tied to it, okay? So it means you have added to your Epic account. So that's the first thing I would do before erasing it, deleting it, and before even if you're thinking about factory resetting your Nintendo Switch, you're gonna need to go ahead and make sure that you have that ready, okay? So again, just go into epic.com and then sign in to your Epic account or create one, and then just add your Nintendo account to it. So I do have a separate video for that, but this video is just to assure you that no matter what console you go to, you can always use the same account everywhere. So on my PlayStation, Xbox, PC, I have my skins there everywhere. So I use the exact same account for all of them. So that means you do not need to make a separate account for every single console, different console that you have. So again, if you're deleting Fortnite or if you're factory resetting your Nintendo Switch, which means deleting everything from within it, you're not losing your accounts. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.